Hello kids, in today's Zoom class we have learned about what we have learned about? Yes, B alphabet. Which alphabet? B. B for ball, B for boy, and B for banana. See, this is B. B for boy, B for banana. You are eating banana every day? Yes, if you eat banana every day, you will become healthy. This is ball, a colorful ball. You are playing with the ball also, na? Right. And this is butterfly. B for butterfly. Now let's work in our workbook. First of all, we will trace this B. One number line, which is standing line, and two number line, which is two half circle. Okay, then from this point, red point, we will go down one standing line and first half circle, second half circle. Okay, we will repeat this B in our workbook and we will complete all these B with tracing line, and then we try over here like this big standing line. We have to write B like this, big B. Don't write like this so small B. Okay, how you have to write? Like this, big B. Okay, I am going to teach you how to write alphabet B in your notebook. So let's start. This is the format of your notebook. So in right side corner we are going to write date. Write today's date. In left side corner you have to write C dot W dot. So in this line, between red line and red line, we have two blue lines. Starts from red line, make one dot first of all, three dot, you make three dot. Okay, from red line to first blue line and second blue line, make one standing line, and again from red line do one half circle and another half circle, so it will become your B. Repeat this exercise here also. Make one standing line, one semicircle and another semicircle, so it will become your B. Again we will repeat this exercise over here. Standing line, half circle, another half circle. So in one page you have to write 3 times B. 1, 2 and 3. And repeat this in your notebook like this. Standing line, half circle, another half circle. Standing line, half circle, another half circle. From red line to blue line, one standing line, half circle, another half circle. Standing line, you have to speak and write. This will become your B. Standing line, half circle, second half circle, B. If you will speak and write, you don't need to revise again. Okay? So from top to bottom in your notebook, you have to write B. Thank you. Bye-bye.